Morning grade 10. We are doing third problem from set 2.2 related to factorization. Now look at this problem. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. We are going to ask two questions. First is, tell two numbers whose product is 26y square. This is how you got 26y square. And look at this. This will tell you operation. And tell two numbers whose addition should be plus 27y. Now, product is 26y square and addition should be 27y. So, it is but obvious numbers are 26y and 1y. So, these two we are substituting in place of 27y over here. Now, pair these two and pair these two. Here we have 2y common and inside you have y plus 13. Here you have 1 common, y plus 13. Now, in these terms, y plus 13 is common. So, we take it as common. 2y plus 1 will remain is equal to 0. So either y plus 13 will be 0 or 2y plus 1 will be equal to 0. So what we have, y is equal to minus 13 or 2y is equal to 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2y will be equal to minus 1. And so we get y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So what are our roots? Minus 13 and minus 1 by 2. Now look at the fourth problem. 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Rearrange this in this form. So you have in quadratic equation form. So we have 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now tell two numbers whose product is this into this, that is 75m square. And whose, now look at this sign, whose subtraction is minus 22m. These are your questions. So you know numbers minus 25m and plus 3m. I told you if there is minus sign over here, both the numbers will have opposite signs and this sign will go for the bigger number. So we have minus 25m and plus 3m. Substitute over here and then repeat all the steps. In this 5m is common, you get m minus 5. Here plus 3 is common. Again m minus 5, this bracket is 10 to repeat. Again from this you have m minus 5 common. So what remains is 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So either m minus 5 will be 0 or 5m plus 3 will be equal to 0. So m will be equal to plus 5 or 5m will be minus 3 and therefore m will be minus 3 upon 5. Asking questions is very important. Okay, so this part is very crucial. Then only you will get numbers. So roots are 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Let's go to the next problem. Now look at fifth question, students. Here you have one fraction. 2x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2. So I want complete equation without fraction. So I am multiplying whole equation by 2. So this becomes 4 and this 2 will go off and only 1 will remain. Now I can say that tell two numbers whose product is 4x square and whose addition is minus 4. I told you if there is addition sign, both the numbers will have same sign and this is the sign which both the numbers are going to have. So I know product should be 4 and addition should be minus 2. That means my numbers are minus 2x, minus 2x. Alright, because minus 2 and minus 2 gives minus 4 and minus 2 into minus 2 gives plus 4. So I am substituting these two numbers over here. Pair these two numbers and these two numbers. From here 2x is common. I get 2x minus 1. Here this bracket should repeat. So here nothing is common. So I am taking minus 1 outside. So I have 2x minus 1 because minus into minus, here it will become plus. Okay, now 2x minus 1 and here also 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. In this problem, you should observe that both the brackets are same and therefore we are going to get the same roots. So after solving this, we get 2x is equal to plus 1 and x becomes 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 are roots because both the brackets are same. Alright, and so both the roots are same here, that is 1 by 2 is what you got the roots as. Alright? Okay. Let's go for next problem. Now let's look at the sixth problem. See 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Again I want to get rid with this x, so I am multiplying whole equation by x. Before that I am getting this 1 over here. So I get 6x minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now after multiplying whole equation with x, what do I get? Here I will get 6x square. This x will go, so I will get only minus 2. And here multiplied by x, I get minus x is equal to 0. Now let us write this equation in our quadratic general form. So I am rearranging these terms, I get 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, now ask two questions. Tell me two numbers whose product is 6 into 2 is 12, x square, and this is minus 2. So tell me two numbers whose product is minus 12x square and whose subtraction is minus 1. This will tell you the operation, that is subtraction, and subtraction should be minus 1. As I have told you, what if there is subtraction, two numbers will have opposite signs and this sign will go to the bigger number. Now we know 3 4s are 12 and therefore product is 12. So 4 and 3 are numbers. This after addition or subtraction you should have minus 1 as answer. So numbers will be minus 4x and plus 3x. Substituting these two in the place of minus 1x. Now pair these two and these two. In this we have 2x common, 3x minus 2. Here nothing is common. When nothing is common, you have to take 1 as common. So I am taking here plus 1. So again I get this same bracket over here. Mind well, this bracket should repeat. Then again in this, we can take 3x minus 2 as common and what remains is 2x plus 1 over here. So either this is 0 or this bracket is 0. So we have 3x is equal to 2 or 2x is equal to this 1 over there. So minus 1. So what we have x is 2 by 3 or we can have x is minus 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 are roots of the equation. Okay, I hope you have done this since grade 8. Okay, so it is just like revision for you all. Okay, let's go for next problem. Now question 7 is in the form of complete the following activity. So I have solved, you see which boxes you are going to fill with the numbers. So I'll just explain you. See now, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Product of the number should be first and last number. So it should be 5 root 2 into x square. So tell me two numbers whose product is root 2x square into 5 root 2. Now this can be written as root 2 into 5 into x square. I have just rearranged. Everywhere there is multiplication sign. Between 5 root 2 also here there is multiplication sign. You know that root 2 into root 2 is root 4 and root 4 is 2. So this product is 2, 5 as it is and x square. So you got 10x square. So what will be my question now? Tell two numbers whose product is 10x square and whose addition is 7x. Numbers are easy, 5 and 2. We know 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7. And therefore in place of 7, now I am adding here 5x plus 2x. Now see students, if you want to pair these two and these two, from here you can take x as common. So you get root 2x plus 5, no doubt. But here see now how to take common, nothing is there. But this 2 can be split up as root 2 into root 2. We know root 2 into root 2 is 2. So for this root 2 for 2, I am writing root 2 into root 2. Are you understanding me? Now in this 1 root 2 can be taken outside. And inside remains root 2x plus this 5. Because this root 2 has gone already out. Now you got similar brackets, root 2x plus 5 and root 2x plus 5. Now this can be taken as common and what remains is x plus root 2. And therefore either this bracket is 0 or this bracket is 0. So you get root 2x is equal to 5 that side, so minus 5, and here directly x is equal to minus root 2. Simplify this again, so you got x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. So what are your roots? Minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2 are the roots. You see where you have to put the boxes according to your textbook and then do it. So that's all for today students. We'll stop. Thank you.